Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboatsneha.
In this video, I'm going to recreate Deepika's look for Cannes Festival. So if you want to see how I recreated her look, keep watching this video till the end. Also guys, please press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I post any video. So let's get started. I've already prepped my face. I've applied a moisturizer. That's why I'm moving ahead directly with the primer. I'll be using this primer from Calabar brand and I'll use my ring finger to apply it on my face. And then I'll use my fingers to blend it on my skin. Then I'm taking Pro Conceal and Correct palette in shade Medium Deep from MAC brand. I'll be taking the red color corrector and I'll apply it on my face wherever I have uneven skin tone. So I'm applying it on my forehead. I'll also apply it near my mouth and then I'll blend it out with the help of this blending brush. As I'm recreating Deepika Padukone's look, so I want to make sure that my skin looks flawless and even, and that's why this step is important for me. For my foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation. This is as per my skin tone. This shade is not as warm as Deepika Padukone's skin tone. Also, I'll be using my PAC 307 foundation brush to apply my foundation and to blend it seamlessly. Guys, in this look I'm using all the products that are easily available online or in the market. I'll leave all the product details that I've used in this video in my description box below. Also, I'm gonna give the link to all the products that can be easily found online. That will make easy for you to recreate this look if you want to create it or if you just want to experiment with any new look of your own. So once I'm done with the foundation on my face, I'll apply it on my neck as well. And later I'll use my PAC Beauty Blender to just blend it out again. For contour, I'm taking MAC concealer in the shade Medium Deep and I'll apply it using brush PAC 318. I'll make a fish-like face and then I'll apply it starting from the end of my ears to the middle of my cheeks, just like this. And then I'll apply it on my nose to contour it and make it as sharp as Deepika's. I'll also apply it on my jawline. So guys, it's how I'll do the contouring. As I have chubby cheeks, I need to contour so that I can look as flat as Deepika. And I'm almost done with my contour. Now I'll use brush number 306 from PAC to blend my contouring. And I'm using the round movement to blend my contour. With contour, I'm trying to mask my chubby cheeks, so I'll contour it well. And once I'm done with it, I'll proceed to highlighter. For my highlighter, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I'm in the shade Light Ivory. I will apply it under my eyes in triangular shape and then on the bridge of my nose. Also, I'll apply it on the forehead and then I'll blend it using my fingers. And to give a seamless finish, I'll use my beauty blender to blend my concealer. To bake my concealer, I'll use Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Light and I'll use PAC 303 brush to apply it under my eyes Step is important to assure that I do not get any crease lines under my eyes. Once I've applied it, I'll leave it for 15 seconds or so, and then I'll dust it off. I'll also apply the remaining powder that is in my brush on my eyelids. For my brows, I'll use Brow Girl Brow Definer from Nykaa, and I'll use it to define my eyebrows. In Deepika's look, I can see that in between her eyebrows there were some spaces left, so accordingly I'll also leave a little bit of gap between my two eyebrows. Originally you can see that I do not have that much of gap between my eyebrows, but I'm not lining them to make my brows look a little bit alike like Deepika's. And in the same way, I'll finish my second eyebrows. For lining my lips, I'm taking Pro Arte lip liner. This is in the shade nude. I'll line my lips with it. This step will ensure that I'll give a base to my lip shade. For my lip shade, I'm using Oh My Rose lip crayon from Pro Arte, and I'll use a lip brush to apply it on my lips. I think this shade is almost close to the lip shade that Deepika applied for her Cannes look. This is a nude pink lip shade. So I guess it's done. For my blush on my cheeks, I'll apply NYX Professional Makeup Powder Puff Lippy in the shade Squared Goals. I'll apply it on my cheeks, and then to blend it I'll use my beauty blender. And if I'll find it a light shade, then I can apply a little bit more. After I'm done with my blush, I'll move ahead with my eyes, which is the most important part of this look. For my eyes, I'll use Maybelline Eye Studio Black Gel Eyeliner and the brush that comes with it to apply my kajal. In Deepika's look, her eyes were dramatic, so I am trying to create such a dramatic look, and I'm using this gel based black liner to apply underneath my eyes. So I'm applying it below my lower lash line, and then once I've created the shape that I want, I'll also apply this gel liner inside my waterline so as to give that bold look, same as Deepika's. And once I'm done on my one eyes, I'll repeat the same on my other eyes. Then I'll tight line my lashes using eye kajal. This is from Maybelline New York, and I'm gonna repeat it on my other eyes as well. Once done, I'll move ahead with my mascara, and I'm using Lash Sensational from Maybelline brand. I love this mascara for how much volume it gives to my lashes instantly. Also, you can curl your lashes before applying your mascara if you want your lashes to look more dramatic and voluminous. And yes, I'll repeat this process on my other lashes as well. And I am done.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel Dreamboatsneha. So I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.